Most hole saws can cut wood and metal, but today's jobs have tougher materials that wear out hole saws extremely fast. The multi-construction hole saw from Bosch can cut through just about anything, including the toughest materials on the job site, like wall tile, cement board, Den's glass, and masonry, but it still does a great job on wood, plastic, and fiberglass panels. The multi-construction hole saw has diamond ground carbide teeth for fast cutting. The teeth can even be resharpened for longer life. It also has large gullets, which help pull debris out of the hole. And the Bosch Quick Change Universal Hole Saw system lets you change cup sizes or types and switch to a different pilot bit in seconds. Remember, better accessories mean better results. For fast cutting and tough materials, choose the multi-construction hole saw from Bosch.